Yo, what is going on YouTube? My name is Ty, back again with another video, another banger video. And this video we'll talk about how many videos do a beginner blogger needs to do, or any blogger needs to do. That's ideal. That's the idea post. And the answer to question is, how many can you do per week? That's my first question. How much time do you have to do per week? If you work 2 or 3 jobs, you have a family at home, don't got time, I say do at least one blog post per week. If you have a little free time, I would say 2 or 3 blog posts per week. What I do is I do 3 articles a week on this site. And my bowling site, I'll do 2 articles per week because this site is my bread and butter. This is my blog that I want to make millions of dollars in the future. So I just decided to stick with this site and make the 3 posts per week, and that seemed manageable to me. But if you're just beginning blogger, don't know ins and outs of blogging, I say do 2 posts per week, at least one. Do at least one. No more than 3. But if we could do 4 or 5 or 6, hey, more the merrier. 3 a week is good for me. That's 12 articles a month. 3, 6, 9, 12. That's 12 articles per month. And what I typically do is, how I started off was, I was just doing 1 article a week. So it's 4 articles for a month. So what I did was, and a lot of people could do this too, is take the first 2 months and do 1 article a week. So 4 articles for 1 month, that's 1 month. 4 articles once a week for the next month. So now you're covered for 2 months. Okay, within those 2 months, that 3rd month, what you do is, now I have content going out once a week. I have a little cushion. Now it's time to really do my schedule. So let's say I'm doing 2 posts a week. Now, while the first month is going day by day, and you're working, do whatever, you should be writing content or hiring a writer to do content for you. And what you do on the 3rd week, you do a Tuesday, Thursday, whatever, Friday, Monday, whatever days you want to post and once you pick a schedule, you stick with it. You stick with that schedule, okay? So that's what I did. I was doing a blog post every other day. That was my strategy, no matter what day it was. So it was a Monday, Wednesday, Friday, Sunday, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, then back to Monday. I did that. I found out that was one week I get 4 articles. The next I get 3 articles. It wasn't consistent. And when I wanted to publicize that content, I didn't know where I was, because I didn't know, you know what I'm saying? For me, it's easier to do Monday, Wednesday, Friday. I know Monday, Wednesday, Friday. So I know what days they come out, and the time's always the same as well. That's what I did. So when I first started, I did maybe 1, 2 posts per week for 2 months. Then the 3rd month, I said I'm gonna do 3 posts a week. And I went ahead during the first month, write 12 articles. Now I got 12 articles. Now I can put that on the 3rd month, and now the 3rd month is done. Now I'm on to the 2nd month, and on the 2nd month I still got 1 post going out. I write another 12 posts, which is not hard. You write 3 or 4 a week. That'd be the following month. So once those 2 months are done, now I'm on the month that has 3 posts a week in it. Now I have 2 months of content to write, of content already scheduled out. And you use the WordPress timestamp to timestamp your blog post. Okay, so that's what I've done. Now I'm at a point, I'm always 2 months ahead, and I got more content being drafted and being written by me. And that's what I did. So I'll say, number 1, pick a frequency, pick a schedule. What do you do during the week? When is your free time? Is it before you go to bed? Is it when you get up in the morning? Is it during your lunch break at work? Or you get home from work, you have a couple hours to work on something? Do you have a lot of free time during the weekend? Some people's jobs, they're all during the week. So during the week, if you have a Wednesday or Thursday, like I used to have that, I used to be on Wednesday, Thursday, Sunday in the warehouse. My wife would be at work during the day. So I could have the whole house to myself and have 3 or 4 hours to myself to write content during times with nobody being around. I don't gotta do anything. I write the content and go on my day. So what's your free time looking like? And once you decide that, you stay with the frequency. Use the WordPress timestamp to give the date to go live in the future for me. And look, I have a calendar here, a calendar, and I write down. Well, I don't use this no more for my blog, but I use it for my YouTube channel. I write down the video that's going live, so I keep track of everything. And that's what I do. I timestamp all my work because my time is very limited sometimes. So that's what I do for Idea Bloggers. Pick a frequency that works for you, that that you could do on a consistent basis, and roll with it, and take advantage of time. Take advantage of time. Another thing, down this plugin. This plugin called Editorial Calendar. I did a video about this in the past. This is a plugin that gives you a calendar-sized view of your blog posts, so you can see what blog post is going out, what month, what day, what time. So it keeps track of your blog. This is a time saver because now you can also, I can show you here, show undrafted drafts. So if I have a draft that I'm done with it, I can just drag and drop into where I wanted to go. That's another thing that saves you time. You don't have to look back to the calendar and go back to the blog post. You can see everything right here, black and white. So I know that this is an older part of my calendar than the news part, but how long it take to run up for Acorns? Oh, I published that on Monday 21st of October. I've already done that post. So how many blog posts I did for a beginner blogger? I say at least once per week, but whatever your frequency is, this notion you do, for a month, the more you do, the better. I say do at least 2 per week if you can. The more, the merrier. My name is Tyler, that's Keen.com. Thanks for watching.